Welcome to Global Trading by Astute Group. If you're looking for a progressive, multifaceted, independent distributor, then you should look no further than Astute Group and the Astute Intelligent Marketplace, AIM. Offering insights, market intelligence, impactful data, and market-leading analytics, then Astute and AIM bring you everything you need. Augmented by machine learning and driven by some of the leading experts in the field, we are positioned to offer your supply chain the resilience the current complex market conditions demand, all through the product's lifecycle. As the preeminent distributor in the mil-aero and high-reliability sector, we are the only credible alternative to broadline distribution, with the ability and appetite to democratize global pricing across the full spectrum of the electronics marketplace. Unlike many of the niche distributors in our field whose area of expertise is narrow, Astute is able to excel in a full range of supply chain and ancillary services by offering visibility and real-time insights on millions of components and price points globally. Offering all of these services while providing each customer with a shield against the vagaries of the market across price, delivery, and quality, we are, by any definition, a truly modern, progressive distribution partner. Find out what Astute Group can do for you.